As Mike had said, we live in an area that has quite a lot of bikeways, which is very fortunate for us. Orange County has over 1,000 miles of bikeways. This is a PDF from their website, which I will put into the chat right now for you. This is all of Orange County. Obviously, that there's a lot of bikeways there, and this little circle here is just our little Irvine Spectrum service area. But it has, the different bike classes that both the sergeants and Mike spoke to, the off-road and on-road labelings for the different bike lanes and paths, as well as, the different steep grades, so how the elevation is and how steep that would be for you to ride. So this is a really good resource to just kind of see where the bike lanes are in Orange County. The other part of the PDF has some nice little safety tips on here. Like Mike said, riding visibly and avoiding the door zone, staying kind of far away in case the car door opens on that parked car side. And also some little excerpts about riding, taking your bikes on Metrolink and on the buses as well. The ice shuttles here also have bike racks, and some Amtrak trains actually you can reserve for to bring your bike on Amtrak as well. Irvine, again, like Mike said, lots of bikeways. This is the map of the Irvine bikeways, and there's our Spectrum service area as well here. There's also, I'm going to put that in the chat right now for you as well. But they also have an interactive map. This is the PDF that I've just put in, but this is also I'm going to pull over my screen here to show you. There's an interactive map as well on the city's website that allows you to zoom in a little closer and see the different bikeways. And these little dots have, tell you where if there's a pedestrian bridge. So you can get a little bit closer look of where the bike lanes are here in Irvine. And let me put that in the chat for you right now as well. And then we've also found a few helpful apps for you to utilize if you wanted to try biking to work that we found the bike community likes to use. The first one here being good old Google Maps. Google Maps, I'm going to pull back my browser back over really quick here and show you here what that looks like. Google Maps has a bike tab up here. You have your normal driving to work, but then the bike tab here shows you the route. And in the Irvine Spectrum area, the San Diego Creek trail runs through part of the Spectrum area here. So I have this coming from Woodbridge to 40 Pacifica, and it says right here, the San Diego Trail Creek. It gives you all the details turn by turn. It tells you kind of generally that the route is mostly flat. And then you can also click on the map itself. Oh, here we go, there. To add the different bike lanes and really get a good granular look here of where you're going to be riding and the terrain. So Google Maps is a great free tool for you. If you're looking for a little bit more in-depth information about the bikeways in the area, Strava and Map My Ride have a lot more detailed information as far as detailed descriptions, elevation, the level of use of the different bikeways can help you understand whether or not a lot of people may be using this, which may mean that it's a little bit easier of a ride. And then they also allow for feedback on the different trails and different commuters, different bike users' commutes that can help you understand, if there's a lot of debris typically on the bikeway, if it's, again, if it's really hilly, if it's not, if there's a lot of people that are using it. So a lot more detailed about other riders' experiences on Strava and Map My Ride. Then there's also Bike Repair, the Bike Repair app. It's $3.99, but it has a plethora of tips and tricks for you. It's got repair guides on how to, fix a flat tire, or, tighten the belt, or, lots of, and it comes with photos and lots of other maintenance and troubleshooting, and a lot of other information on that app, that you can, bring with you when you're out and about biking. And if you get that flat tire, you can check out the app and get an idea of how to fix that. You can also log your bike specifics, so you have all that information ready to go.